Are you looking for a way to do affiliate marketing without a website? Then this video is for you. I'm going to share with you 3 ways that you can do affiliate marketing without a website. And at the end of the video, I'll be sharing a bonus strategy, a strategy I personally use to generate 4 figures online with affiliate marketing. So make sure you stick on the video until the end and catch that bonus method. So let's go and see how we can make money with affiliate marketing without a website. Okay, now the first way you can do affiliate marketing without a website is with TikTok. Yes, I know you probably think it's for kids, it's dancing videos, but as you can see from my account, a 51-year-old woman can be on TikTok and actually grow a fairly large following without posting that many videos. TikTok is absolutely booming for affiliate marketing, for promoting your own business. It's absolutely incredible. 𝐦𝐤𝐬𝐬 talked about it way back in 2019. As usual, he was right. If you're not on TikTok, believe me, you should probably be on TikTok. So I'm going to show you how it works. This is actually my account. Now, as you can see, once you've grown your account to 1,000 followers, you can have a clickable link here. If people click my link, they get to my lead magnet, which is a free video that teaches people how to make money online. You're very welcome to request it, by the way. Now, to show you, I've opened other accounts which are in completely different niches. These are not niches. These are not my own accounts, by the way. I just searched for manifestation, completely different niche from my own. When you click on your link, this is what opens up. This is something where you can order your soulmate drawing, right? And as you can see here, this is ClickBank. This is a ClickBank product. ClickBank is a very well-known platform which has a ton of products that you can become an affiliate for. So this person here, Manifestation 1021, is growing their TikTok account and doing affiliate marketing on with it. Similarly here, I found a totally other different niche, gardening. This person is posting a ton of gardening videos, pretty amazing. And when you click on the link here, this is what you get. And there's many different links, things we can buy from her. And as you can see, she says, I may earn a small commission on purchases made through some of these links. So some of these links are affiliate links, right? So basically the way you do this is, as you can see, you don't need a website at all. You simply open a TikTok account, create a TikTok channel. It's completely free. And then you post videos that are relevant to your target audience, right? Maybe this sounds a little bit complicated when I put it that way, but in a nutshell, you find what people who are doing gardening struggle with or what they want to learn, and you create videos that solve their problem. Right? That teach them something. Similarly, with a manifestation, you would create videos that show people how to manifest what they want, right? It might be more money. It might be finding a soulmate. It might be having a dream come true. I don't know which one. But basically, with your videos, you hook people in. You show them something that interests them, something that's going to give them a bit of a solution. And then you encourage them to click the link, right? You click the link that's up there. Anyway, people generally, if they find your videos interesting, entertaining, helpful, they are naturally going to click the link. Make sure that you put something here in your bio that says that says something about what you can do for people, right? This is very clear. This person helps people manifest the things they dream of, right? And encourage to follow the family. So encourage to click here and follow, right? For me, as you can see, I say exactly what I teach, and I tell people, click here to start. So I don't even have to say it in my video, right? Now, you might think, oh my goodness, I'm starting from scratch. You know, these accounts have many, many thousands of followers. And, you know, I don't know how many. Yes, she's got 92k followers, and even myself, right? I've got double followers on TikTok than I have on YouTube, and I've been working a lot harder at my YouTube channel. So you might be a little discouraged when you see this, but really rest assured, it does go quite quickly on TikTok. Create your account, post videos, don't overthink it, find other channels that are in the same niche as yours, don't copy their content, but find inspiration from their content, find, you know, the channels that are doing really well, on TikTok in your niche, and then put your own spin on it, but make similar content, and your account will grow in no time. If you want to know more about how you can grow a TikTok account, by the way, you can click the link below this video, the first TikTok link. It's a $1 guide that will teach you all the inside tips and tricks that you need to know to be successful on TikTok. Okay, second way you can do affiliate marketing without a website is by using good old Facebook. Trust me, the third way will be a bit more of an unusual way, so make sure you stick around until I go into this third way. But I couldn't really speak of doing affiliate marketing without a website without talking about Facebook. Facebook is absolutely huge. Billions of people are on Facebook, right? And really, if you want one free strategy, then it is incredibly effective if you know how to do it right. So one of the most effective ways that you can do affiliate marketing on Facebook is first optimize your private profile, your personal profile, right? Of course, you can do affiliate marketing with paid advertising, but we're talking about free methods in this video, right? So in your profile, make sure that you have a banner that tells people what you're about. If you have a Facebook group, direct them to that group, encourage them to join. And in your intro, in your little bio, make sure you make it very clear how you can help people with what and what they have to do to get your help. So again, as you can see, I have the exact same banner that I have on TikTok and the exact same link. I want people to click this link. That gives them free training and directs them towards the big product, the main product that I'm an affiliate for, right? So that's the first thing you can do. Then you can post. Of course, you can post on your Facebook profile. But please do me a favor, be a little bit original. There are many affiliate marketers nowadays on Facebook. They do copy and paste posts that sometimes that they get from their mentor. It gets incredibly boring. So never forget that Facebook is very much about your lifestyle, your personality. It's about yourself. So I would encourage you to post regularly, but don't bore people with extremely long posts that really have their place on a blog, on a website, right? Give people little teasers, share your content if you want to, but really mostly concentrate on getting into Facebook groups that are in your niche. I personally have two. You don't have to create your own Facebook group. Of course, if you create your own Facebook group, you're very free to give value in that Facebook group and encourage people to click a link of yours, right? This is quite cool. But what you can also do if you don't have the energy to create a group is simply infiltrate, join other groups in your niche, right? Do this ethically, try to join big groups in your niche, and then check out, the questions that people have. Try to be helpful. And then sooner or later, you will see that people will probably, of their own initiative, reach out to you here. This is where the gold happens, in Messenger. People will friend you, send you a friend request, and ask you a question in Messenger. This works in absolutely any niche. Again, whether you are in personal development, in the cooking niche, in the gardening niche, in the fitness niche, in the make money online niche. It's always the same thing. If you join a group, help people with their problems, they are naturally, after a while, going to seek out your help even further, which is why you need an optimized profile, right? Because they're going to go and check your profile, and they might even click your link without ever reaching out to you. But make sure you are helpful, and make sure you send friend requests to people as well, as you get to know them and read their questions and help them out. Please, please, please don't spam people. Be helpful. Don't steal people from a group leader. Don't spam affiliate links in a group. Simply be helpful, stay natural, and the connections will grow automatically. Once you have people in Messenger, please don't pitch them, don't send them your link straight away. Try to identify the struggles that they have, be helpful, and then naturally come up with an offer that will help them with their problem. I hope you get the idea of how this strategy works. If you don't know where to start with this strategy, I have a link in the description of this video, which you're very welcome to click. It will invite you to a free challenge that will be incredibly helpful for you. And now for the last and more unusual strategy to do affiliate marketing without a website. You can use this gold mine, Quora. This is a platform that I feel not that many people talk about, but it's absolutely amazing. First, it's a gold mine of information, it will give you loads of ideas of what people are searching for. But really the idea with Quora is similarly to Facebook and to TikTok. You create a profile, but you have a lot more space to create a profile where you tell people what you're about. And you can put clickable links. So as you can see here, there's a link to my YouTube channel. There's a link to my free YouTube guide and tips for affiliate marketing success and my main funnel as well. So you can really tell people what you're about and how you can help them. Then you can search for questions in your niche and you can start answering them. So the way you would do that, you would simply type here a keyword for your niche and then the questions will come up. Now, as you can see here, on your profile, you then get a record of all the questions that you have answered. Try to be, as usual, very helpful, just like on Facebook. Don't spam your link, but just take time to answer the questions in details and occasionally insert your affiliate link. But you don't always have to insert your affiliate link because people, when they find you helpful, they will again naturally go to your profile and naturally click your links. They might even send you a DM, a message as well. So in that case, just like on Facebook, be helpful, understand how you can help them, and then make an offer. Right? So that makes sense. You can do this in absolutely any niche. I looked up, for instance, the gardening niche, right? You can go in a space, what they call spaces. As you can see here, this is a YouTube space where there's 50k followers, 50k members of this Quora space, all interested in YouTube. You can become a contributor, you can check out questions, you can answer questions so that people will then go and check out your profile. This is YouTube, for instance, is more my niche, but look, for instance, in gardening, there you go. Some people post questions, right? Why is my aloe vera dying? You can answer this question if you're a gardening expert and you're an affiliate for gardening products that are going to help people. Simply answer this question. And the more questions you answer, the more helpful you are, the more people are going to reach out to you, either by checking your profile, straight away or by sending you a DM. I hope this makes sense. Make sure with all these strategies that you turn up very consistently on the platforms, and within no time your following will grow, your authority will grow, and your links will get clicked. So what did you think of these ways to do affiliate marketing without a website? Cool, right? Now, a bit of advice. Pick one and stick to one. Don't start doing all three at the same time. That will be too much. My bonus strategy is what I use to make 4 figures online. It's YouTube. YouTube is an absolutely amazing platform that allows you to make videos that are really evergreen. The principle is exactly the same. You create a YouTube channel in a niche that you know something about. You find the problems that people struggle with. You create content that helps them. And then you put your affiliate links in the description. If you want more details about this strategy, you can click my link below. I teach you how to do that. But the advantage of YouTube is it's very much an evergreen platform. It's sometimes a little bit slow to start with. It does require turning up regularly and being patient, having a bit of a long-term vision. However, the content will work for you in years to come if you do your job properly, right? So that's another bonus way that you can do affiliate marketing without a website. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, as usual, give it a like, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my content. All the links that I mentioned in this video are in the description below this video. Make sure you check them out for whatever strategy you decide to go for. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below this video. I will get back to you and answer them personally, of course. If you enjoyed this video, my guess is you'll enjoy this one next. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.